Hi, I'm Hope Phoenix, and I'm a functional consultant for Clients First Business Solutions, and I specialize in Microsoft Dynamics AX. And today I'd like to show you a little bit of the power that Microsoft Dynamics AX provides in the way of item tracing. Item tracing is a business intelligence tool that provides visibility into the source and destination of items and raw materials in the supply chain. Manufacturers can trace items, raw material, or ingredients back to the vendor and forward through production and the sale of the finished product. Item tracing helps manufacturers comply with regulatory requirements and helps quality officers and production managers analyze and take action to address variances in the quality of products and materials. The goal of Microsoft Dynamics AX is to put everything a user needs at their fingertips when they need it, and the item tracing screen is a perfect example of that. Let's go take a look. The first step is to put in the criteria that you want in order to get the information you need. At a minimum, you have item number and however you're tracking it, whether it's by serial number, batch, or vendor batch number. So it's as easy as filling in what you need and hitting the trace button. Note that you can narrow down the results also by site and warehouse location and within a date range. And you can also trace forward and backward. The details of the trace you performed will show up in the details screen. We chose to search backwards, so that means it's going to start with the item requirement, which, as you can see on the first line, is a sales order, and then it will go back into how that item requirement was filled. If when looking at the detailed information you need to know more, like say you want to know more about the sales order, all you need to do is click the line that says sales orders and then go on the view details screen and it takes you right to it. Pretty easy, huh? Now let's take a closer look at the production order that was created or generated to fulfill the sales order requirement. We can go to the view details like we did on the sales order, and that'll open up the production order. But also note that there's a fast tab right here in the item tracing screen called production. Let's take a look at that. In Microsoft Dynamics AX, anything that's in blue means that you can just click on it and drill down. So look, you can drill down to the original bill of material and routes associated with this production order. You can open up the production order for here. You can get into the details of the item. Lots of information at your fingertips. Lastly, we'll take a look at a purchase order for raw materials related to the production order that we've been investigating. This purchase order has a quality order attached to it because when the merchandise came in, it went through a quality test, and we can see that here too. Don't want you to miss the action pane. There's lots that you can do from here as well. The item tracing screen was designed so that you could quickly find issues and find customers that have already had the product shipped to them. Sales orders that are in process so that you can stop them. Same with production. If the issue, you can see production orders that have been processed, but you can see orders that are in process as well. You can look at quality, vendor information, and easily get reports of this information that can be utilized further. We sure hope you enjoyed our presentation on item traceability, and if you don't have this power at your fingertips, give us a call.